Differences between a compound and a mixture. A compound or a mixture. Have you ever wondered, how do we determine if a substance is a compound or a mixture? And what can we do to differentiate between compounds and mixtures? We will look at compounds first. Compounds are always pure substances with a fixed melting and boiling point. For example, sugar, which is a compound, will have a fixed melting and boiling point as it is a pure substance. Mixtures are never composed of a single substance. A mixture does not have a fixed melting or boiling point. To obtain a mixture, two or more substances must be present, but they are not chemically joined. Properties of compounds are not the same as the properties of their constituents. Salt, which is made from sodium and chlorine bonded chemically, will have different properties from sodium and chlorine altogether. Properties of mixtures always display the properties of their constituents. For example, when you mix sugar with salt to get a sugar-salt mixture, the properties of this mixture will be similar to that of salt and sugar. Compounds have definite mass ratios of their constituents. For example, pyrite is always 46.6% iron and 53.4% sulfur. It is interesting to know that regardless of mass of pyrite, the percentage of iron and sulfur remains the same. Mixtures have variable mass ratios of their constituents. When we mix iron filings and sulfur powder together, we can obtain mixtures containing different amounts of iron filings and sulfur powder. A mixture of iron filings and sulfur powder can be made up of different percentage of the two elements. Are you not excited to learn so much about mixtures and compounds? Let us look at the key differences between a mixture and a compound in this table.